Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Bake platform. First, go to elearn-bake.projectsgallery.eu. If you don't have an account, click Create a new account and fill in the required details. Once done, click Create my new account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password, then click Log in. On the left side, you'll find the main menu with options like Home, Dashboard, Calendar, Certificates, Private Files, and My Courses. When you log in, the home page displays the courses available in different languages. Click on Login in the course of your choice. In the dashboard, you'll see the courses you recently accessed in an overview of your progress. On the right side, a timeline shows online users, upcoming events, recent badges, and upcoming activities. You can customize the dashboard by clicking Customize this page. In the Calendar section, you can create new events and add and export events and activities. The Certificates section displays the certificates you've earned throughout your courses. In Private Files, you can upload and manage your personal and private files. Finally, in My Courses, you'll find the courses you're currently enrolled in or have active. At the top right, you'll find options to change the site language, view notifications, and access messages from your contacts. We hope this tutorial helps you navigate our platform easily. Enjoy learning with Bake.